get the modes set here so it's in the same modes that you're in. We're all good there. Cool. All right, so this is a good opportunity for you to kind of get a feel for some of the things that you hear us talk about that I think are kind of subjective. So, you know, when I say firm brake pressure, okay, well, what does that mean? Firm brake pressure. So you get a feel for it, kind of feel it firsthand, and I think that'll be beneficial for you. Any questions on any specific corners at this point? Or?
No, I'm just trying to learn everything.
I gotcha. It's a lot to take in.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, that first session, that's usually the one where it kind of clicks, where you'll have overnight to kind of process a little bit, and then that's a good session tomorrow. And then we got the autocross tomorrow too, which is always fun. Where are you from, Tom?
Fort Worth, Texas.
Okay. So this heat's nothing for you guys. You're used to
this is
humid
right here.
We're getting there. What's it say? 103? Not too bad. 115 on the other hand.
Yeah, no matter what, even if not, 115 hot.
Yeah, it's no fun.
And I cycle, so
okay.
I'm out in the heat all the time.
Pedal or motorcycle?
Pedal.
Oh, cool. What kind? Like a road bike?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I got into mountain biking over the last year, like along with about 50 million other people apparently. So.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna let them get a little gap on us, and then we'll get rolling. If you get any sort of motion sick sensation, just let me know, and we can dial it back here. All right, so we'll work our way up to third gear here. Fourth. That opening lap, we're going to keep it pretty tight on the inside here for our blend line. Firm brake here, down to third gear. We're going to kind of hit the back half here as we come around turn 3. And then squeeze into that brake on the exit to fourth gear. A little brake as I land here. You can see me kind of get that car to change direction right there so that I can now be pretty aggressive down through here. Then braking on approach here, third gear, kind of a V shape. I want to get down to this apex here. Fourth, up the hill. Braking here, easy to overshoot 5A, looking for my apex here. I want to ride the curve right here. Third gear, get it to turn, and then put that power down here on the exit. Notice how I use that exit curve there. Firm brake here, lighten off, stay on this left side, back down to third gear here, turn it, put it on my marks here for turn 7, get a good run down the back straight. Fourth gear, firm to the brakes here, down on the brakes, I'm still on the brakes, lightening, back to some throttle here, a little bit of brake, balance, fourth gear, all the way out to the exit. Firm brake here. Down to third, patient, release the brake, get down to my curve, squeeze into the throttle. Fourth, little brake, release the brake as I go over the hill, and then get this good aggressive run down the hill here. Straight line braking, third gear. Looking for my apex, patient with the throttle. Fourth, get a little layer there. Looking for my turn in, braking in a straight line. Get our marks there. Third, unwinding down the hill. I'm looking for that turn in here. That's kind of my visual. Now I shift my attention to my apex. Looking down the straightaway here. Unwinding. And back. That's one lap. What do you think?
Wow. Way different.
Lots of seat time. Lots of practice.
Yeah.
But incremental improvements every time you do a lap out there. You get more confidence.
Well, you can feel
in the technique.
You can feel how fast you can go in a corner and all that stuff as well too.
And the balance is just the key. You know, if you get back to the throttle too quickly, the car's not going to turn as well as you want, and then it all kind of, it compounds then. Then all of a sudden, if the car doesn't turn as much as you want, you can't get back to the power as quickly. And if you can't get back to the power, you're slower in the straightaway, and there goes your lap time. So it's not always about being aggressive everywhere. It's about picking your spots where you want to be aggressive. And in the other spots, I have a mindset that's more, I want to be precise. So, you know, hey, for a turn in and for my braking, my mentality is, I'm thinking, okay, be precise here on your approach. Because if I think be aggressive on braking, then I end up trying to brake really late and I end up messing up the corner. So precision, and then on the exit of the corner, that's when you can start to be aggressive and roll into that throttle a little bit.